In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to a table in Retool. If you've ever looked at a large dataset and thought, I just want to see the rows that matter, this will make your life a lot easier. We'll walk through choosing a column, picking the right operator, entering a value, and combining multiple rules so your table shows exactly what you need. Start by clicking your table component so it's selected. When the table is active, look at the toolbar that appears for that component. Click the Filter button, often shown as a small funnel icon. This opens a filter pop-up where you'll define the rules that shape what you see. In the pop-up, begin by choosing the column you want to filter. The options here come from your table's data, so pick the field that best targets what you're looking for, like status, category, date, or a numeric field such as amount. Next, pick an operator. This tells Retool how to compare the column to your filter value. For text columns, includes is great for partial matches, while equals is best for exact matches. For numbers, operators like greater than, less than, and equals help you set thresholds. For dates, you'll typically use before, after, or equals. Choose the operator that matches your intent: broad with includes, precise with equals, or comparative with greater than or less than. Then enter the value you want to filter by. Use a keyword for text, a number for numeric fields, or a valid date for date fields. If your column is case-sensitive or formatted in a particular way, match that format to get accurate results. As you type, think about whether you want to capture partial matches or exact ones. That will guide which operator works best. You can add multiple filter rules to refine your results further, and you can group them with AND or OR. Use AND when all conditions must be true, like status equals open and priority greater than 3. Use OR when any of several conditions is acceptable, such as category is sales or category is marketing. Grouping lets you build more complex logic, so the structure of your rules matters as much as the content. As you configure these filters, your table updates automatically. This live feedback helps you fine-tune the columns, operators, and values until the data on screen matches your goal. That's all there is to it. Pick the column, choose the right operator, set your value, and combine rules when you need more precision.